How to access past tax return on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The first thing you want to do is log into TurboTax with your account. Now click on Tax Home or Your Tax Returns and Documents. Then select the tax year you want to view. Then you want to click on Download/Print Return option. If you cannot see your past return, ensure you're logged into the correct TurboTax account. If you use TurboTax Free Edition, access may be restricted unless you get upgraded or paid. If it is not available in TurboTax, you can also visit IRS official website. For this, visit IRS Get Transcript, choose Get Transcript online or mail, then select Tax Return Transcript for the year you need. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.